Okay, so we have the grill mounting mechanism here. Here's a bar that it'll attach to. So you just need to pull these up out of this bracket. So you just twist it, usually does it, snaps it down in. And then there's a little rail here that just slides on there. Slide it on. Bam, good to go.
Yeah.
So this mounting bracket and the grill is under the couch in the back. So there's going to be 2 holes here and there that you'll just slide these rods through. So I'll do one and I'll come over and I'll do the other one. And then there you go. This side has a little cotter pin that you could stick under here to make sure it doesn't slide out, but honestly, if you just push it all the way back, you're good to go. It's not going anywhere. And I just take these and I usually tuck. And there you go. The hose is inside. The hose will quick connect here to the bottom, and then also down there where there's also a lever for the valve. So that'll need to be pointed straight. And there's the grill. Brush for cleaning also.